Good morning to all. So I am Dr. Manish Sharma, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, Madanapalle Institute of Technology and Science, Dept University, Madanapalle, Andhra Pradesh. So today I would like to present simple drawings, how to make a simple drawings using the AutoCAD software. So first of all, before starting, I would like to say thank you to the MITS management, Vice Chancellor sir, Mechanical Engineering Department HOD sir, and radio station to provide the facility and encourage me to record this video. So let us come to the drawing first. So I have one simple drawings. So this is my simple drawings that I shown over here. So this is a 2D drawings. We will make this drawing in the AutoCAD software. Okay. So how to make this drawing? Let us start it. So what I will do. So first I will divide this drawing in the two parts. So let us say if you see this from here. Okay. If we draw the line here. So see upper part. This is my first part of the drawings and this is my second part of my drawing. So I divided the drawings in the two parts. Okay. So first I will do, first I will take the first part of this drawing. Okay. And I will make in the AutoCAD. So how to do that one? So see here. So there, what we observe here, there are the three circles. So this is the one first. Okay. Earlier it was a complete circle and later on it was trimmed. So second circle. Okay. This one. And one more circle was there. So let us find out the dimension of this circle. So the bigger circle having the dimension of 80 mm diameter. Second one is having the diameter of 64 mm diameter. Okay, all the dimensions are in the mm. And third one is having the 42 mm diameter. Okay, so let us first make this circle in the AutoCAD. So what I will do? Okay, so first I will go to here search option. I will type the AutoCAD. So AutoCAD software already installed. That is the 2024 version. That will come to our screen. Okay, so let us click it. So it will take hardly 1 minute to start. Okay, so let it be start. Now it is started. Okay, so what I will do, first I will go to new option. So I need a blank sheet. I will go to new option. So the new blank sheet is open. I will save it first. How to save it? Go to this application, AutoCAD application. Okay, here you will get a save as option. So go to here. Okay, so here you will get at the top save in. So here you, if you downward arrow is there, okay, drop down arrow, so you click it, the many option, many file, many folder, many drive will come to you. So you choose the particular drive. So suppose I want to save this one at my desktop. Okay, so I will go to desktop. Okay, so here you can save it. You can create any folder or an desktop. If you want to save it, you can save it. Okay, and now after that you go to file name. Later, let me give the file name here, simple drawing. You can give any name. So I have saved it. So once, okay, now once you save it, see at the top the name will shown to you. Okay, now it is saved. Now what is that? Once you save it, let us do the few basic settings. Okay, here 5 basic settings we will do here. The first basic setting is limits. So with the keyboard, okay, you type in the desktop screen limits. So once you type it, it will come to you. So here it will ask it to, there are the two boxes to you. Okay, it is asking the specify lower left corner, okay, of the drawings. Okay, so what is that? Actually we are working in the 2D environment, so that's why the first box is asking the x coordinate, second box is asking for the y coordinate, that you can see at the left this one corner. So here two coordinates system, Cartesian coordinate system is there, x and y. Okay, so put the x value. The x value will put 0. And how to move the next box? Press the tab. So 0. Okay, so 0 0 we have entered and press the enter with the keyboard. Now next box, right upper corner. Okay, so diagonally we measure the length of the drawing sheet. Okay, so diagonally we will put 210 tab 297. That's all. So one first setting is over. Now next setting is units. So actually all the dimension we will measure in the unit mm. Okay, so go to this. So decimal, precision we will keep 0. That's all, and you check it. It should be millimeter. That's all. Two settings over. Now third one is O snap setting. OSNAP. Type it. It will come to you. to snap. Okay, so here select all, that's all. Now fourth one is dim style. Type it, go to standard, modify. Okay, so here what will be there. So here first at the top you see many options are there, line, symbols, and error, text, fit, primary unit. So go to the first line. Okay, so here what you need to do, first you go to the dimension is lines. So here color, so in the color you go to drop down arrow, okay, and select the white. Then next you go to the baseline. Okay, here you put 3, then 3.5 whatever. Okay, so then extension line color you put white. Okay, that's all. I think these many settings are required only. Now symbol and arrows, so here you go to arrow size, you keep it 3. Center marks, here you put 2.5. Okay, so that's all. Now go to text setting and don't press the OK. First let us complete all the settings over here. Okay, so now text here, text color you keep it white, fill color you leave it none, text height you keep it 3.5 or 4 whatever. Okay, then text alignment right side, so put it middle one, okay, aligned with dimension line, that's all. Now go to the primary unit, here precision you make it 0, that's all. Now you put set current, so we are forcing the AutoCAD to implement whatever settings we have done over here and close it. So 4 settings we have done. Last one is the zoom. Go to the zoom and real time press A, that's all. So now what is that, after that you zoom out the screen. Then here at the this one right bottom corner you will have the customization, so you ensure all the options are tick marked. Okay, now what is that, so our objective, if you see the drawing here, our objective to draw the 3 circle first having the diameter 80 mm, 64 and 42. Let us draw it. So diameter is given, so see this is the command line. Okay, so here you will have the circle option. So in the circle downward arrow is there, you click it and let us choose the center, because diameter is given, the center and diameter. So first diameter is 80 mm, so go click anywhere. Okay, so it will ask the center, then put the diameter of the circle, so diameter is 80 mm. Okay, then again you go to here, the second diameter is given 64 mm as per the drawing, so this is my center point. Okay, all the 3 circles are the concentric, so center would be the same center and put the 64 mm. The next one again, next circle diameter is given 42, so center 42. Okay, you can measure it also here. Okay, so if you downward arrow, if you go to diameter option will be there and you select it 80 mm, again go 64, and this would be the 42. Okay, so for the moment let us delete them, later on at the end we will show them. So now that is over. Now let us go to the line, let us find out the center line. If you see the circle having the center line, okay, center line axis or y axis both. So let us go to the line command. This is my center point, so I will draw the x-axis first. Okay, then let us go to the y-axis, let us draw the y-axis. So actually my objective to draw the exact vertical or horizontal line, so here at the bottom you will get the ortho mode option, activate it, so it will allow the AutoCAD to draw the exact vertical line. So this is my center point. Okay, so go here vertical and you draw it. So 2 things we have done it. Let me draw this center line also here. This is the center line. You can extend it. That's all. Okay. Now later on we will convert in the center line. So now what is that my objective next is, I want to draw this one. How to draw it? So if you see the total distance is 8 mm, it is given here. So the 4 mm I will offset it. I will use the offset command. What I will do, from the center line I will draw one line that is 4 mm away, one line 4 mm down. So which command I will use? Offset command. So here you will get offset command and you type the distance 4 mm, and which one I want to offset this 4 mm up, again you select 4 mm down. Extra you can trim it, so I will trim it with the trim command. Okay, now let us trim this one also for the moment. That's now these many lines I need how many times? Okay, around the circle So count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 times. So let us how to do it. So there is one command, array command. Okay. So downward arrow, go to downward arrow, polar array we will select because this one is meeting our requirement. Okay, circular and whatever the pattern we need. So that with that command we can draw it. Okay, polar array. So select object it is asking. So we want these many. Okay, around the circle. So we have selected, enter it, a center point. Okay, so this is my center point, select it. So see, we have done it. So how many quantity we need? 6. So items. Okay, so here you put it 6. If you want 10, you can put it 10. So it will create the 10. So close array. So we have done it. Now what is that we want to make it as per our drawings. Okay, so before that, because we have applied the polar array, so use the explode command here. The explode, select object. Okay, select the entire object, enter it. The polar array we have done. Now let us use the trim command and convert this drawing as per our requirement. So what I will do, this one is not required, I think. Okay, or this one also not required, so you can trim them. That's all. Now this one also not required. Now this one also we need to trim. That's all. I think we have done it. Okay, now we can do one thing. Okay, so you extend this line and you convert it to the center line. How to do it? So go to here, 3 by layer. So downward arrow, third one. Here continuous line is there, but we need the dotted line, center line. So that is not over here. So go to other. So here also not there. Go to load. So here we get that option. So select it and press the C. So you will get the center line. Anyone you can select. Okay, let us select the first one. Okay, select it. It will come over here. Again you select. You do it. Now suppose we want to make these two continuous line in the center line. Do it. So we have done it. Okay. Now, so I think first part is over. Let us go to the next part. Okay. So next second part. So what is the second part? Here we need to make the two circle and the left and right. Okay, two circle we need to make and both are the symmetric. So to make the circle, what we need the center point. So how to find out the center point? So this is the center point. See this one. So this center line, okay, horizontal line is 40 mm away from this. Okay, already drawn this horizontal line. So let us offset command, offset, and we put 40 mm distance and offset this horizontal line down. So horizontal is over. Now we need the vertical line. So vertical line, if you see this one, the distance between the center point of this circle and center point of this one is 106. So and from this one is we can divide it. Okay, so it would be the 53, and this one also would be the 53. So what we need to do? We need to offset this. Okay, center line left and right by the 53 mm. So offset command 53 and offset this center line left side, then right side. That's all. Okay, now we go to the center point. So now we need to find out the dimension of the circles. Okay, so here if you see this bigger circle having the diameter of 42. Okay, both having the same diameter. Then inside circle having the 22, 42 and 22 mm diameter circle. Okay, so let us go to center and diameter, then go to first 42. Okay, then go one more, the next smaller circle having the 22. So select it and put 22. That's all. Now what you need to do, we need right side also. So you use the copy command or use the center and diameter option also, you can make it. So select both, enter the base point, you select the center point and you keep it over here. That's okay. You can measure the dimension for our surety. Okay, 42 and 22. That's all. Later on we'll show it. Now it's over, I think. So now let us complete this. So here at the bottom again, this was earlier one complete circle and later on it was trim both. Okay, both side and a smaller circle, and both are the both side both the circle are the symmetric. So let us find out the dimensions. Okay, so first let us find out the outer circle diameter. So radius is given 62. So what would be the diameter? 32. And for the smaller the diameter. Okay, see, find out this arrow start from here to here. Okay, So diameter is given 16 and 32 mm diameter. So let us find out it. So before to find out it, we need to find out the center point. So we will get the center point how? So see this one, horizontal line is there. So already we got this horizontal line. So what we will do, we will offset it by the 38 mm. So let us offset it by the 38 mm. So 38, offset it 38. Okay. Now let me trim first so we will not get confused. Now what we need to do, we need to find out the vertical line. So the distance of the vertical line is for 80 mm. It is given. Okay. So this would be 40 mm and this would be the 40. So for we will offset by the 40 mm. So go to offset command 40 mm and offset it 40 mm and 40 mm. That's all. Now we go to the center point. So let us go to center and diameter, or you choose a center radius also. So here bigger circle having the 32 mm diameter. Select it 32. Okay. The smaller one having the 16 mm diameter. Again go to this command and select it and you put it 16 mm. Now use the copy command. Select this both the circle you select and keep it over here. That's all. Okay. So we have done it now. Now what we need to do, we need to make, if you see the drawing, we need to make this circle. Okay, semicircle. So for that diameter is given 24 mm radius. Okay. Not diameter, radius is given. So what we'll do, this is the center point of this circle. We'll take this one as a center point and we will make a 24 mm radius circle. Okay, so go to center and radius, select this point as a center point and put it 24 mm. You're done. Now let us trim this part because as per the drawing this is not there. Now what we'll do, now see this one here, if you see this is a tangent line. You see the drawing, there are the 4 tangent line. We need to make it. Okay, so how to make it? See this tangent line is there. So the if you see this drawing, the tangent line, this is the point. Okay, if you see this entire this circle, the circle, if you draw the vertical line and horizontal line axis, okay, so it is divided into 4 quadrants. So that center line, this is the tangent point of this tangent line that is started in second quadrant and it ends in second quadrant. So let us make it so ortho mod of, because this is the inclined line. So line command and here I will start. This is my second quadrant. Okay, so what I will do, I will not directly click it. So I will press my control, keep it, hold it. Okay, and right click. So one list will come to you and you press here, you will get the tangent option. Okay, you select the tangent. Now where is the first point? Here, this is my second quadrant. See the symbol also, green symbol. Okay, circle, and above that one tangent line is there, that is tangent to the circle. Okay, click it. Now here I want to select one more point, tangent point. So again press the control, hold it, right click, tangent, and you click over here. So in this way we can create it. Now this side, right side also we need to make it. So first quadrant, the first tangent point, second, and here in the first quadrant. Okay, so go to line command, again control, keep it, hold, tangent point, this is my first quadrant, again control, hold it, tangent, and you click it. So upper part is over. Same way bottom part. So bottom part means almost a third quadrant, first tangent point, and in the third quadrant my the second tangent point will be there. So line command, control, tangent, here somewhat you click it, then again control, tangent, and you keep it here. That's all. Same way you go to here, control, tangent, click, control, tangent, keep it here. That's all. So now we have done almost. Now let us trim this one. This one is not required. You can select them and you delete it with the keyboard. Okay. Same with this one. You can trim it and you select and you trim it. Now this one also not required as per the drawings. So we have done almost. Okay, now let us find out the dimensions. So as per the drawing, you need to show all the dimensions. So if you see the drawings, this is one is the 80 mm diameter. Okay, so you can choose this option. You can choose 80 mm, 64, 42. Okay, now this is the radius. Okay, now these are the diameter. Okay, now this one diameter 16 mm. Now let us find out the distance 8 mm, then offset distance 40, this one 38. Let me find 106 was given to us 18. Okay, so with this we can complete the drawings. I think almost all the dimension we have shown over here. So likewise you can practice the other drawing also. Okay, so here what we have, what commands we use the basically circle command over here, then we use the offset command, trim command many times we used, then we use the line command to draw the tangent. Okay, that's all. So for this I will conclude this lecture. Thank you.